Instagram has launched the Reels option. Reels allows creators to create short videos interactive and post them on their feed. Many Instagram users cannot find the Reels feature in the Instagram app, or the Instagram Reels does not work for them. If you are facing any similar issue, then in this video, I will show you some tips that you can apply to get your Instagram Reels working. So, let's begin. Step 1. Update your Instagram app. If you cannot find the Reels feature in your Instagram app, it might be because of the outdated version of the Instagram app. To use the Reels feature, you just need to update your app to the latest version. You can update the Instagram app from the Play Store in Android and the App Store in iOS. Now, you have to restart your phone. After restarting the phone, open your Instagram app and see if the Reels icon showing. If you cannot find the Reels option in your Instagram app, then try Step 2. Enroll in beta program. If the Instagram Reels feature is not available in your region, then you can still use Instagram Reels by enrolling in a beta program. By enrolling in the beta program, you will get the chance to test the upcoming Instagram feature before everyone else. Step 3. Uninstall and reinstall Instagram app. In some cases, the problem is caused by corrupt data or cache accumulated over time. Therefore, it is advised to reinstall the Instagram app to fix the problems. Simply uninstall the Instagram app and then reinstall it back again. That's all. I hope this video will help you fix Instagram Reels not working or not showing issue on your Android and iPhone devices. Thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, then tap on the subscribe button and join us.